नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं सरदार हरचरण सिंह,
प्रॉपर्टी बाइंग
प्रोप्राइटर
guide
वीर साहिबजादे प्रॉपर्टी पोंधा देहरादून।
Kandoli, Bidoli,
आई एम ए रिटायर्ड
Dehradun.
बैंकर,
Why this area is the best
कैरियर
investment
कंसल्टेंट, रियल
hub in
स्टेट
Dehradun? The
एडवाइज़र,
Ponda, Kandoli, Bidoli
प्रॉपर्टी बाइंग
has
गाइड
become one of the
फॉर
best,
पोंधा
fastest
कंडोली
growing real
बिधोली
estate
देहरादून।
corridor
Why this area
in
is the
Dehradun
best investment hub in
due to
Dehradun?
the
The
education
Ponda
hub,
Kandoli
ecosystem
Bidoli
and
belt
future
has become
growth
one of the
potential.
fastest growing real estate corridor in Dehradun due to its education hub, ecosystem and future growth potential. Major growth drivers are presence of premium institutions like University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Devbhoomi University, Shri Devbhoomi University, Graphikara Medical College. Thousands of students migrate every year for studies. Continuous demand for PGs, hostels and rental flats located in peaceful Himalayan foothills with modern infrastructure, rapid development of roads, connectivity, and residential projects. UPS Petroleum University alone has multiple campuses in Bidoli and Kandoli with hostel demand and thousands of students are studying there. Why invest here? This is high rental income zone for PG, hostel demand for 12 months occupancy. Students are granted for rental flow. Affordable entry price compared to main Dehradun city. Higher appreciation chances. Future growth potential. Education hub expanding every year. Infrastructure and populated population growth. Low risk, high return investment, real demand, not speculative. Suitable for both small and large investment. What should you buy? Smart buying advice. This is for my end. Number one, plots best for long term investment. Buy 100 to 300 guys plots. These are easily available. Ideal for future resale, high appreciation. PG hostel for and construction purpose. Prefer R3 MDD approved plots. Number 2, best for PG hostel investment for high cash flow model. Near universities, this is very full, having full occupancy. Monthly income potential. Now the best strategy, you can build 8 to 20 rooms PG setup. RO starts within 2 to 3 years. Number third, flats, safe rental option, low maintenance, ideal for beginners, easy resale. Number fourth, independent houses, villas, best for self use and rental combo. Ground floor for self, upper for rent. Important buying tips. Avoid mistakes. These are the mistakes. Always check MDD and RERA approval. Number 2, road access and registry clarity. Number 3, water and electricity availability. Avoid these things: illegal plotting, disputed lands, no road plots. Why buy from Veer Sahibzade Properties Dehradun? This company is led by retired bank officer and investor advisor Mr. Harcharan Singh Ranhotra, myself. Our strengths: 40 plus years financial and property experience, safe and verified deals only, transparent pricing, no hidden charges, best location, selection guidance, high ROI investment planning. What makes us different? We don't just sell property, we guide you like an investment consultant. We help you. Number one, choose right location. Number two, select best property type. Number three, plan rental income strategy. Number four, maximize future appreciation. Why this area is among best in India for investment? Unique combination, education hub plus rental demand, natural location plus urban growth, affordable prices plus high returns. Very few cities in India offer this perfect mix of ROI, rental income, फाइनल एडवाइस टू बायर्स। अगर आप सही समय पर सही जगह निवेश करना चाहते हैं तो दोस्तों पोंदा कंडोली बिदोली इज़ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू। आज छोटा निवेश, कल बड़ा रिटर्न। कॉन्टैक्ट फॉर साइट विजिट वीर साहिबजादे प्रॉपर्टीज़ देहरादून। प्लॉट नहीं, फ्यूचर खरीदिए। आज इन्वेस्ट करें, कल पैसिव इनकम पाए। कॉन्टैक्ट पर्सन हरचरण सिंह, एक्स बैंक ऑफिसर, रियल एस्टेट कंसल्टेंट एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइजर, वीर साहिबजादे प्रॉपर्टीज़, पोंधा रोड, मझौन चौक, देहरादून, उत्तराखंड। थैंक यू वेरी मच।